If you could program a robot to do anything for you, what would it be and why?
Being a software engineer, programming is my second nature. So if I could program a robot, I'd ask it to translate animal language into human language and vice versa. Imagine a world where we are living with animals, talking with them, knowing their emotion and what they speak. We all can coexist in this ecosystem peacefully. And I would love that world for us.
Fantastic answer. All right, next question. In your opinion, what are the harmful effects of unsupervised social media on our Gen Zs today?
I'm a Gen Z myself. Social media has the power to change the world. It was made for us to connect with other people. But today, it has plethora of content which is only making our attention span smaller. And I believe it's high time that we start using social media for our benefit rather than making social media use us for its benefit. And it exposes us to so many different problems, be it anxiety, stress, comparison, and that is a thief of joy. And we all need to realize that there's a world beyond that small screen which you need to go out and live for. And trust me, it's beautiful. Thank you so much, Tanuj. Pleasure to be here.
Okay, your first question.
Yes.
We heard you're a zonal basketball player.
Yes, I am.
Fantastic stuff. If you had the choice of becoming a world famous sports star or a global movie star, what would you choose and why?
That would be a difficult choice. Well, if I have to become someone, I would go on to become a world famous movie star because acting allows you to play so many characters, whether it be an entrepreneur, doctor, or a sports person. Because at the end of the day, what matters is what you do with your talent. And today, I'm here to win hearts with my talent.
Fantastic. And now your second question.
Please.
What qualities as a sportswoman do you think will help you win this beauty pageant?
You know what? There's one thing that's common between a sportswoman and a beauty queen. That is, we know the value of our platform. And the biggest strength that could help me to win the crown tonight is to believe in myself. Whether it's supporting my fellow divas or bringing my most confident self in front of you all. I believe that believing in myself and presenting my most authentic self in front of you all will help me to connect to your hearts. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you very much. Okay. As a former cabin crew member, what's the craziest in-flight moment you've experienced? And more importantly, how did you handle it?
Sure, I would like to tell about my incident in flight. So, one of my flight, there was a shortage of non-veg meal on the board. So, a passenger was shouting on my crew. So, I approached him and calmly knelt down and apologized and explained him that, sir, it wasn't our crew fault, but a catering issue. And I offered him alternative options and along with a complimentary coffee. And I used to handle them with my smile and kindness. So,
Well, that's fantastic. Goes to show that no matter what the problem is, coffee is always the solution.
Yes,
well done.
absolutely.
Okay. Now, it's time for your second question, okay? How do you think your experience being a cabin crew will set you apart from all the other contestants?
Being an air hostess teaches me grace under pressure. It allows me to connect with people from all of the world. And that shaped me into a great leader. And I used to deal my in-boat flight experience with confident care and kindness. So, and that I want to bring towards in this platform, and I'm sure that I will definitely make, proud of myself. Yes.
Number 7, Bhagmita Saikia.
Please have a seat. Here you go. What is your favorite part about Assam and its culture and community that you'd like to tell all of us about?
As a representative of my beautiful state, Assam, I stand here as not just Assamese, but as a proud representative of my cultures and traditions and the people. My culture is heartwarming. Whenever you go to Assam, you will feel that, yes, we are welcoming our people with open heart. And this is what I feel, that Assam is not just about being heartwarming to people, but also about naturally beautiful. Thank you.
In your opinion, how do beauty pageants empower young girls and women all across the world?
Well, this is the most beautiful thing that has ever happened to me. When I joined pageantry, I have evolved as a person. Today, I'm standing here speaking in front of you. That's a big achievement for me. And I think through pageantry, we can empower people, not just being as a model or a beauty queen, but the whole society, through which I can share my journey, or anyone can share their journey to empower others. Thank you.
Fantastic.
Is finalist number 8, Sritama Basu.
Here you go. This is for you. Okay, let's start with the first question now. You've worn many hats: writer, film critic, model, actress. So you've experienced both behind the scenes as well as in front of the camera. Which role did you find most challenging and why?
I think for me, my roles in front of the camera have always been a mode of expression, a mode of articulation and connection with the audience. But, my role behind the camera as a daughter always seemed to inhibit my aspirations to go wild, to go above and beyond the world and explore my possibilities. But today, I'm so glad that I could strike a balance between the roles behind the camera as a daughter and in front of the camera. And I'm so proud that this day has come after so long, after waiting for 5 to 6 years. Thank you so much.
Wow. What is your take on nepotism in the entertainment industry?
I think nepotism exists in the entertainment industry just as much as it exists in any other industry. Every parent, every father, every mother would always want their child to follow their path, the path that they carve out for their children. But I think because of your child, if some other talented artist, somebody else's child, and their chances of getting a chance in front of the camera or lights, camera, action is inhibited and restricted, that is unfair. And that is non-negotiable. I think that needs to be protested against. Gliding through this industry, the entertainment world is not easy. It's not a cakewalk, but a fair share of chance should be given to every individual to make their name, just as I'm doing today. Thank
Fantastic.
you.